Joule's law. We all know that heat is generated whenever current passes through it. Joule heating, also known as ohmic heating and resistive heating, is the process by which the passage of an electric current through a conductor releases heat. The amount of heat released is proportional to the square of the current such that Q is directly proportional to I square. This relationship is known as Joule's first law. It states that the heat produced is proportional to square of the current I, resistance of the circuit R, the time t during which the current flows through the circuit. Heat produced in calories can be expressed as H is equal to I square RT divided by 4.18 calories. 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joule.